Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can create custom sticker on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll have to do is simply open the photo that you want to turn into a sticker. For example, I want this particular photo to turn into a sticker. Now what you're going to do is simply long press on this photo just like this. And after doing that, here you can see these will now pop up, and here you can see there is the option of add stickers. You'll have to tap on add sticker just like this. And after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully added this to our sticker. Now, in order to add effects on it, you can tap on add effect. And after doing that, here you can see we can now create outline. If you tap on outline like this, or you can tap on comic or puffy or shiny. Here you can see like this, we can create an effect on this. I'm simply just going to choose original for now. And when you're done with it, you can tap on done option right here. And after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves this sticker. Now you can go back and simply open your messages option if you want to share this sticker with your friend. Here you can see I have opened a chat and my keyboard right here. Now in order to use this sticker, you'll have to tap on the emoji option that you can get on the bottom left corner right here. After doing that, here you can see our emojis will open. Now in order to get our sticker, here you can see this particular icon that you can see right here next to the recent. You'll have to tap on this icon, and here you can get our stickers right here. So you can simply just tap on the sticker that we earlier made just like this, and you can tap on the send button right here and send the sticker like this. And just like this, you can create custom stickers on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.